Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is RG. Today in this video, we look at sentence and types of sentences. In our daily life, we can use different types of sentences while reading, writing or speaking. Every sentence has some common characteristics. First point, sentence is a group of words. Second point, it gives complete meaning. Example, we are learning English grammar. Here, this sentence is a group of words or a set of words and it has complete meaning. If we change these words order, this sentence does not have meaning. So we understood from this example, every sentence is a group of words and it gives complete meaning. Now let's see types of sentences. First one, assertive sentence. Second one, imperative sentence. Third one, exclamatory sentence. And fourth one, interrogative sentence. Assertive sentence. This sentence is also known as declarative sentence. This sentence is used to express normal statement or assertion. This sentence is two types. They are positive sentence and negative sentence. Examples for positive sentence. He is a good boy. It may rain in the evening. Bhaskar completed his graduation in 2005. These are examples for positive sentence because here we didn't express any negative sense, sudden feelings or questions. Now let's see negative sentences. He is not a good boy. It may not rain in the evening. Bhaskar did not complete his graduation in 2005. In first and second examples, to express negative sense, we added not. Not is negative sense giving word. Third example, we have written in simple past tense. That's why to change into negative sentence, we used did not. And we have written verb complete. And we put a period at the end of both types of sentences. Like this, we can express assertive sentences in positive and negative sense also. Second type of sentence is imperative sentence. This sentence is used to express a command, request, an advice or to give instruction. In these sentences, we don't have subject, but it is understood. The subject of an imperative sentence is always you. Here some examples for imperative sentence. Don't go there. Give me a cup of coffee. Here we don't have subject in these two sentences, but subject is understood, that is you. Don't go there means you don't go there. Give me a cup of coffee means you give me a cup of coffee. Like this, In imperative sentence, subject is understood, that is, you. Exclamatory sentence. This sentence is used to express strong feelings. It means sudden feelings or excitement. In all exclamatory sentences, we use exclamatory symbol. Exclamatory sentences are of two types. They are first one W and H sentences. Second one interjection sentences. WH sentences start with what, how, etc. Examples: what a beautiful scenery it is. How wise you are. In WH sentences, we put exclamatory symbol at the end of the sentence. Second one, interjection sentences. Interjections are wow, alas, bravo. Examples: wow, India won the match. Bravo, you have done great job. In interjection sentences, we put exclamatory symbol after the interjections. Here interjections are wow and bravo. Interrogative sentence. The sentence which is used to ask a question is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are of two types. They are first one W and H questions. W and H questions start with what, who, where, how, etc. Examples: where do you stay? Which is your favorite subject? Second one, yes or no questions. These type of questions start with helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were. Examples: are you going to anywhere? Are you busy? These two types of questions end with question mark. As I explained, sentences are four types. They are assertive sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and interrogative sentence. These are we can use in our daily conversations. If you like this video, please give your like, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you one and all.